Hello ladies and gents, welcome to a new review. To this point I was quiet, but I decided to do a voiceover because I didn't have time to do a dedicated night review. Now, if you want to see the night review, you can check out my plug-in hybrid. The cars are very similar, but this one has the E-Tech full hybrid 200 horsepower. The plug-in hybrid had 300 horsepower. The difference is this one has 130 horsepower, 3-cylinder turbo petrol, the other one had 150, and it had a bit stronger electric motor on the back because it has a larger battery, so I guess it drives more electric, so it's better probably when you're driving electric to have a little bit more horsepower consumption-wise when it comes to EV driving. Now, what I've noticed the difference, this petrol is less louder when it's in charging mode, so the hybrid system will try to keep the battery always charged. If it drops below 50 or 40, it's just going to kick in the petrol, and it's really loud. It's louder in the plug-in hybrid, but in this one it's just not that obnoxious, but still not the greatest sound. Now when you're accelerating or when you do a kick down, it sounds great, but when it's charging, it's just not a really pleasant sound. Now, consumption figures, that's what you're wondering. The hybrid system really shines in the city. I got lowest 4 liters, up to 5, and not too heavy traffic. If you're going downhill or if you're driving on a flat surface or slight uphill, if you're just keeping the speed, if you're not accelerating strong, it's going to drive in EV mode, and it's using the battery and combining everything. It just does a lot of EV driving, and it has a low consumption, so it's more efficient than a diesel car in the city. On the highway, 130, you get 6 liters. 130, 140 was close to 6.5, and if you're driving 150, it's getting very close to 7 liters or slightly more. But I was driving 80 to 100 because there was a little bit of traffic, and then later it cleared out, so I was driving faster. In that case, I got 5 liters. So again, this can be a very efficient on open road as well. But price tag is the killer here. It's a 50k for the Esprit Alpine. Starting price in Croatia with few options. It comes close to the plug-in hybrid, which I would rather take, to be honest, because if you have an outlet, you can do a lot of EV driving, almost 100 kilometers range of EV, so it's much better there. The Atelier Alpine had 21-inch, this one has 20-inch. It's still a big alloy. You feel the bumps and the bad surface despite generally comfortable suspension. Now, another thing that I think it's worth mentioning, this was a early production car, one of the first. We've immediately noticed that there are some sounds, and I've noticed like small fit and finish differences compared to the plug-in hybrid. I believe it was later production. With the production already heated up, so they're watching everything to be according to their standards. Now, the front driver headrest was on the cobblestone, if you noticed, like making some sort of rattling sound. When I would put my hand on it, it would stop. It's something you can advertise in warranty. And here, I was keeping my hand on this handrest in the middle bridge. They can move back and forward. And here in the bend, when I've placed my hand on it, there's like a lot of plastic pieces here. In this specific model, I was just making a little bit more than in the plug-in hybrid, like some plastic sounds. But this car has 20,000 kilometers, and again, when it was brand new, we already heard some noises, but I believe this is like early production. It's going to be sold as a used car anyway, so the plug-in hybrid, when it was new, I really didn't hear anything out of the ordinary in this. So just wanted to be fully transparent here. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a like, share, comment, and if you already haven't, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get notified when I upload more great videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Until next one, bye.